Welcome, adventurers, to a journey through the wonders of the Great North. Today, we're diving into the mythical land of Norway, where spectacular views of the Northern Lights and majestic fjords await. But that's not all. Norway is also blessed with epic mountains, perfect for epic skiing. Get ready as we unveil the best-kept secrets of Norwegian skiing. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 ski resorts in Norway. Number 5. Geilo. Located in southern Norway between Oslo and Bergen, Geilo is one of the country's oldest ski resorts. This family-friendly destination offers 45 slopes and 37 kilometers of runs, with the majority catered to beginners and intermediates. Kids will love the cool children's areas, while advanced skiers can enjoy challenging runs and exciting off-piste terrain. However, if you are more advanced, you may find the slopes lose their excitement quite quickly. Instead, you can challenge yourself in cross-country skiing, where you have 200 kilometers of tracks to explore. The altitude is between 800 and 1,200 meters, which means plenty of snow from November to April. Geilo spans a scenic valley, providing breathtaking views of the icy Hemsedal and 2 national parks, which provides great background scenery. Since you can ski on both sides of the valley, you can always ski on a sunny side, but you need to catch a ski bus between the areas. The centre of town has several restaurants and bars, which do become lively on busy weekends, but otherwise Geilo is mostly a relaxed place for families. Number 4. Voss. Tucked away in the snowy mountain inland of western Norway lies the country's outdoor capital. This resort is not the biggest, with only 24 slopes and a total of 45 kilometers of runs, but it has some of Scandinavia's finest terrain. It's also home to an international giant slalom run and a Super G run, which indicates that this area is excellent for skiing. The network of pistes is fairly compact, but there's something for all abilities. However, if you are an advanced skier, you might find the compact area less challenging. In that case, you are only a short bus ride away from Myrkdalen ski resort, which is famous for having the most snow in all of Europe. Powder riders from all over Europe come to Myrkdalen to enjoy the wonderful off-piste terrain. The scenery from the almost 1,000 meters mountain is amazing, and Voss has the famous UNESCO-listed Fjord on its doorstep, where you can stay or go visit for the day. The population of Voss is more than 140,000 people, and lots of cafes, bars and restaurants can be found in the town centre. At weekends, the après-ski at the foot of the slopes can become lively, and the prices are fair compared to other resorts in Norway. Number 3. Hafjell. This is the 3rd largest ski resort in Norway and once hosted many ski races in the Winter Olympics. This resort has 50 kilometers of skiable terrain and an altitude of up to 1,060 meters. It's renowned for its incredibly varied skiing, where everyone, no matter their ability, can have a great trip. This also includes children, who can ski in one of the 3 different family areas. If you love hitting the park, then Hafjell has 3 different parks that you can try out. Hafjell is also blessed with incredible views, which will make the long and wide runs even more breathtaking. The resort is incredible snowshoe, and the season lasts well into April. If you enjoy exploring more slopes, you could take a 30-minute bus ride to nearby Hafjell, which has 33 slopes, including Norway's longest black trail. The atmosphere is vibrant, and you will definitely enjoy the evenings at one of the local restaurants or bars. Number 2. Hemsedal. Located 3 hours north of Oslo, Hemsedal is a paradise for skiing enthusiasts. With slopes rising to 1,500 meters, it boasts the highest lift-served slopes in all of Scandinavia. This snow-reliable area offers over 50 slopes and 48 kilometers of runs. The variety of long runs is impressive for a Scandinavian resort, and Hemsedal also features the largest children's ski area in Norway, along with great beginner and intermediate slopes. While the off-piste options are limited, 1/3 of the slopes are well suited for advanced skiers, making this resort perfect for every level. Besides its amazing ski terrain, Hemsedal has been voted one of the best resorts for après-ski in Scandinavia. The town offers a lively atmosphere, especially on weekends, and you'll have no trouble finding delicious food to satisfy your cravings. Number 1. Trysil. Finally, we arrive at the crown jewel of Norwegian ski resorts, Trysil. As the largest ski resort in Norway, it features 68 slopes and a vast terrain of 78 kilometers. With an altitude of 1,100 meters, Trysil offers a unique skiing experience, as all pistes are connected in a 360-degree loop around the fjell. This means you can chase the sun while relishing the breathtaking views. Trysil is a haven for beginners and intermediates, with wide open slopes both above and below the tree lines, providing great variety. For more advanced skiers and riders, there is a great selection of often well-groomed blacks which are steep, as well as great off-piste terrain. For those into freestyle, there are some great terrain parks as well. Trysil is a generally perfect all-round ski resort that you should consider visiting at least once. Enjoy the après ski scene with lively festivities most days, and continue the fun on the slopes until darkness falls. While not as bustling as Hemsedal, Trysil offers a range of activities. That's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video, and feel free to comment which resort in Norway you would love to visit. If you want to see future videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel.